steel grades to classify various steels by their composition and physical properties have been developed by a number of standards organizations. SAE Steel Grades, British Standards, International Organization for Standardization ISO TS 4949-2003, European Standards, EN 10027, for alloys in general, Unified Numbering System of ASTM International and a Society of Automotive Engineers. Japanese Steel Grade is a Japanese Industrial Standards standard, Germany Steel Grade is a DIN standard, China Steel Grade is a GB standard. European Standard Steel Grades. European Standard Steel Grade names fall into two categories: steel specified by purpose of use and mechanical properties. Steel specified by chemical composition. The inclusion of a letter G before the code indicates the steel is specified in the form of a casting. Category 1. Basic steel grade designations for Category 1 steels consist of a single letter then a number signifying the mechanical property dictated in the standard for that application designation. For some application designations another letter is included before the property value. This number is used to indicate any special requirements or conditions. These additional letters and values depend entirely on the application of the steel and are specified in the standard and far too numerous to mention here. Below is a table indicating the most common application codes. Additional symbols. In addition to the above category codes there are symbols that can be added to the grade code to identify any additional compositional requirements, delivery conditions, mechanical properties, and c. These values depend solely on the type application code given in the first part of the code and are so numerous as to be impossible to indicate here. Additional symbols are separated from the main code by the plus sign. The most common additional symbols are the impact and temperature codes for structural steels, Category 1, SXXX. Delivery condition codes are also relatively common, the most common being, European Standard Steel Number, in addition to the descriptive steel grade naming system indicated above. Within EN 10027-2 is defined a system for creating unique steel grade numbers. While less descriptive and intuitive than the grand names they are easier to tabulate and use in data processing applications. The number is in the following format: XIs, ZZ, where X is the material type, is the steel group number and ZZ is a sequential number designated by the certifying body, the number in brackets being unused but reserved for later use. The steel groups are indicated below. The current certification body is the VDEH and R1 Düsseldorf, Germany. Comparison. Below is a table comparing steel grades from different grading systems. References, notes. Bibliography, Aberg, E. A.L., Machinery's Handbook, Industrial Press Inc., external links. Comparison of various steel standards, comparison of various tool steel standards, stainless steel, tables of technical properties, general guide to the EN 10027 steel name and numbering systems.